Welcome back, everybody. It's Jeff again with J&K Stay in Vegas with your F1 teardown construction update. I know we've got a lot of people that say, we're coming in December, Jeff. What's it going to be like? Well, I'm here to give you the update progress all on the weeks. It is currently Thanksgiving Day. You're going to see this in a couple days after this video. And actually, the road in front of us, I'm going to spin the camera around, is actually still closed. That would be Koval, right next to the pit building. Let's turn around, check it out. So Koval here at Harmon is still closed to through traffic. So we're gonna go opposite of the course this time. The pit building is right over here. All the chaos that ensued with all this. So we'll go the opposite way. We'll head up Harmon towards the Las Vegas Strip, see what they've torn down, and keep you all the way updated till they get all of this fun stuff out of here. So if that sounds good to you, let's get this F1 teardown underway here on J&K Stay in Vegas. So all the track lighting, as you can see, is still up here. The vehicular bridge is still up. Stands are still up. But they've started working, I know, down on Sands. We'll get to that in just a moment. But traffic problems are definitely not over yet here on the Strip for all the cars going along. Still the stands over here. And this other vehicular bridge is still here. Not to mention, you gotta be careful of people because they really don't watch where they're going. Not to mention, don't even give you enough room here. It's actually a beautiful day out today. See Boulevard over there going vertical. We'll be checking in with that throughout the next year. But here we are at Planet Hollywood Miracle Mile Shops. And we're going to keep going up towards the Las Vegas Strip. See what's going on there. Now we're up here at Harmon and Las Vegas Boulevard, and all the lighting's still up. They've got the generators out over here. Those are gone. So all this is still here. But other than that, it looks pretty much about the same. Let's keep going. Outside of Miracle Mile Shops on this side, and then of course Paris over here. And if you'll notice, guys, they made the track over there absolutely smooth and wonderful. They still have not done anything with this side of the Strip, the east side of the Strip. It is still rough and tumble as they come. Unbelievable. Can't believe that wasn't part of the deal to fix this side of the Strip too. That side is absolutely beautiful. I'm happy to report though, they are taking down the Bellagio stands, it looks like first, which I was wondering if they were going to do that, if that was going to be the priority here. So the Bellagio stands and all those VIP sections, those are coming out, it looks like sooner than later. I'm happy to see that and happy to report it. It is very busy here on the sidewalks. There's still a right lane closed over here. But yeah, this side of the Strip road is still pretty rough. Hasn't changed at all in I don't know how many years. So if you're driving southbound on the Strip, where the racetrack was, you'll have a nice smooth drive. If you're on this side, not so much. And there's already taken the seats out of here, so clearly they are making this a priority. And again, I'm happy to see that because I was really wondering what their process and what their line of thinking was going to be. And I'm glad to see that they are tearing that out first. At least the fountains at Caesars are still going. There's the traffic coming down Flamingo there, and we'll see the traffic on the other side of Flamingo. Now there is talk that they might actually keep the vehicular bridge on Flamingo, so we'll see if that happens. I can do this. We'll check out the Mirage stands next. See how they're doing with that. All this lighting here is still up. So it looks like they're taking out the seats here too. So yeah, you can see the seats are coming out. So hopefully Our volcano will be back open soon. If you saw in our previous newscast, they said December 8th. Got the walk symbol, so that means we can at least go. So track lighting, I'm assuming, is probably going to be the last to affect traffic and everything else. See a lot of people here for Thanksgiving and just the holiday weekend. So the big bottleneck right now, because where they're working on the road, is actually here at Sands, Spring Mountain. So when you make a right here down Sands, this is where the race cars came up from. But we're going to head down this way to our right. Check out this traffic. So this part of the road is really nice and smooth. This is where the race came up. So this is really, really nice. Of course, it would have to be to drive on it for 200 miles an hour too. All right, here we go. This road feels really nice. Oh, there goes the sphere emoji. Looking at everyone, mocking everyone. So we won't be able to go down around the sphere. There's our little emoji guy. Not so little. We'll see if we can go up on the back side of that road over here. So all these stands are still in here, but there's a street back here called Manhattan. We're going to see if that is open, that goes on that turn that came around here. So this is where the race cars came out. They would come out this way and then head back up towards the Las Vegas Strip. So this is Manhattan Street back here, but I don't know if we're going to be able to go back up towards Koval. We'll see. So not only do they have to take these big grandstands out, but they got to take out all the individual seats, like you saw at the Mirage and at Bellagio. But let's see if we can get up this way, back towards Koval. We're going the opposite way of the track, but it's the only way we can really go, because Koval's closed up there. And let's see. Nope, looks like they got this all, they're getting all the stuff out of here. Getting these big bridges out of here. So we can't go up that way, unfortunately. All right, everybody, made it back up here to Koval and Sands. We're going to head down that way towards Koval, see how far we can go, and see what the progress is. There's those huge grandstands that apparently were temporary. So we're going to see if they are temporary and if they're taking them down. So let's head up Koval. So we'll make our way across this way. Still got a lot of the temporary fencing around. So this was the turn that they made a right turn down, and then they went down this way. And stands are still up. The barriers are slowly coming down. So yeah, it's getting there, that's for sure. And then the sphere, of course, right there. Wait for this traffic to go here. So the barriers that separated the racetrack from Koval, those are still down here. Now the race did just end this past weekend, and again the date of recording this is Thursday, Thanksgiving, so it's only been about 4 days. And these are part of the Koval temporary structures over here. Don't think that they've started any of this. Doesn't look like. They had, you know, of course, TVs in there. They've got all sorts of infrastructure inside, so it's going to take them quite a while to get this down. All right, here we are at Flamingo in Koval. Now this is this big temporary vehicular bridge that went from down there by Horseshoe, Las Vegas Strip, and then continued on down this way towards Paradise and like the Silver Sevens and all that. And there is actually talk of this remaining a permanent structure, or at least redoing it, because one of the actual successful things has been this vehicular bridge. It's moved traffic along immensely in this area. I don't know. This isn't usually what you see in Vegas, is these kind of overpass bridges on local roads. Like I said in one video, it kind of looks very New York. But I don't know. I mean, I agree. It got traffic moving really quickly through this area. There's Ellis Island down here. coming up to it. So here is all the grandstands here in Koval. Again, a lot of infrastructure that they built in there. That's why I thought there would be no way that these would be temporary. And supposedly they are temporary. But we'll keep you updated here and let you know for sure. I don't think we're going to be able to go any real further than this, but it doesn't really matter because they got heavy equipment down there. But that's where we started, down there. And here is all of these grandstands along Koval. Race went right down here. Look how smooth this blacktop is. So yeah, everybody, there is your first update of the teardown of F1 here in Las Vegas. So if you're coming here to Vegas, you'll know what to expect, what's being taken down. If you're coming in December, I'm going to keep you updated. So you're definitely going to want to make sure to subscribe to J&K Stay in Vegas and hit the thumbs up if you found this useful, and turn on the bell notifications to be alerted to every time we post an update like this, a new vlog, or a live stream, which we do every Saturday night. All right, everybody. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, everybody. Oh, you know what I didn't do? Stay safe and stay silly. Now, bye-bye, everybody.